But I am absolutely in love with a couple of Pixies. I can't get enough, and I'm constantly wearing. The number one is KRIS by Tony of Beverly. It's shown here in a new color. I've been on back order for this color for a while. This is Pink Pearl Rooted. It's just all of these layers everywhere. It's spiky, it's messy, it's edgy, and so much fun. It has an open cap all the way around except for a little piece of monofilament right at the crown. That makes a difference. Because instead of filling in right there with permatease, creating that hump and profile that we see sometimes right at the crown, this one lies a little more flat and gives a natural appearance of hair growth in that area. And I can't believe, I just really can't get over how much of a difference that makes in terms of it being, in terms of it looking more realistic. And I get stopped all the time about this wig. People say, I just love your hair. Now this Pink Pearl Rooted is interesting, isn't it? It's more of a platinum mixed with a dark dusty pink. It almost has a little bit of a silvery cast to it just because of this platinum through it. And this would be great if you enjoy gray wigs. So it just looks frosted and tipped and highlighted with color. It's just so fun. So this next Pixie is one that I also can't put down. It's really a toss-up sometimes between the two. I find myself wearing KRIS more often, but this one is really beautiful. I wear it more on the weekends. It has a little bit more monofilament to it. We're gonna take a look at, so here it is, the Chopped Pixie by Tressallure. I think it's in the color 12101 R18, I think that's what it is. I'll list the color code down here on the screen so you can see it. But I just can't get enough of it. I ordered it in another color. Now this one's more expensive, so I'm not going to be able to collect them as easily as I did the KRIS. But this is just another Pixie that I've adored. And what I really love about this one is the realism. It features a temple-to-temple lace front and single monofilament top. It does have some permatease, not as much as KRIS, because KRIS has some wefting on top that needs to be covered. So I see a little bit more permatease in KRIS. The Chopped Pixie just has some elegance to it. It has a feathery action that I wasn't expecting. Both of these styles are heat friendly, although I haven't taken any heat to them. I've just manipulated with them with my fingers. Getting an up and over kind of a styling on this Chopped Pixie is so easy. And every other knot or so is highlighted up on that lace front. It looks just absolutely real. I've worn this so often. On the weekends, out to lunch. Really enjoyed wearing it. And it looks great every single time. It's lightweight, it's a low density, and I can just fluff it out in the places that I feel flatters me. I'm just able to manipulate this so easily to my own taste and preference. I like a smooth temple, love a little height on top, but the feathery action gives me the profile that I like without having a mound of permatease right at the back. So these have been the two wig styles that I have reached for and cannot live without this month. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right back here at TAZ's Wig Closet.